ఎక్కడ స్టెప్స్
General salute. Salute. Yes, I please take a seat straight. State Secretary Dr. P. Naresh sir to Dr. P. Mani sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Let's go.
సార్ ఓకే
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Dr. Alangovan, the State Commissioner and National Advisor for Growth, Sri Harishal Mehta, the National Deputy Commissioner, Madam Kumar Nera, the Assistant Director, Southern Region, Mr. Purendran, the Assistant State Secretary, Mr. Vadamalai, Namaskaram, sir, the great person on whose blessing, of course, the whole thing is possible, who is the chairperson of this esteemed school. Teachers, the scoutmasters, gate captains, the children who are in scouting movement, scouts and guides, other friends, happy evening to every one of you. Of course, state level officers, SOC, STC, and other people who are connected in imparting training for our children. Wonderful, happy evening to every one of you. I'm just told to welcome us because Dr. P. Naresh, the State Secretary, is on his way. So, to replace him, I'm here. I'm really very happy to welcome all of you on the occasion of to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of the Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. 2020 we say, the National Integration Camp. I'm really happy about children and staff members from 18 states in our country are here to participate in this integration camp. I hope with the superb infrastructure facilities, you will never get this kind of natural environment anywhere in the country that you are at. You are indeed pleasant and you will cherish the memory of your stay here in Maharishi International School. And the training, the program went on well. Hopefully, you enjoy your outing as well. So I complete my program. The agenda that is given to me is welcome. I once again welcome all the esteemed guests on the dais and the friends before me. Thank you.
To one and all present here, आज के इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि मंच के ऊपर विराजमान सभी अतिथिगण, भारत स्काउट एंड गाइड सदर्न रीजन एवं नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन कैंप के एलओसी मैडम कामत मेहरा जी, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर स्काउट एंड गाइड के सभी अधिकारीगण, विभिन्न राज्यों से आए हुए सभी अडल्ट के आयोजकों ने मोर के अलावा सुबह के नाश्ते में खिचड़ी, सांभर चटनी, इडली चटनी, पोंगल के साथ सांभर हमेशा याद आता रहेगा। हम बहुत ही सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि यहाँ पर भारत के विभिन्न राज्यों से आए हुए सभी प्रतिभागियों के माध्यम से विभिन्न प्रकार की प्रतियोगिताओं द्वारा उन राज्यों की सांस्कृतिक, भौगोलिक, राजनीतिक, सामाजिक, आर्थिक, आध्यात्मिक प्राचीन धरोहरों के बारे में गहनता से जानकारी मिली। इस शिविर के माध्यम से यह स्थल एवं इस शिविर की एलओसी मैडम कामत जी और इनके साथ सभी स्काउट एंड गाइड के अधिकारी तथा तमिलनाडु के राज्य के सभी अधिकारीगण हमें हमेशा याद आते रहेंगे। विशेष रूप से मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी एसओसी नारायण स्वामी, अमल राज, एएसओसी सुंदर मूर्ति, डिस्ट्रिक्ट सचिव डी पूर्णचंद्रम एवं सुभाष जैन जी का, जी के पूरे 5 दिन रात हमारी सेवा में जुटे रहे। इस शिविर में सुबह का जागरण भजनों के माध्यम से करवाया जाता था। हमारी दिनचर्या में BP6 के अलावा एरोबिक्स, योगा, अनुलोम विलोम, कपाल भाती, अन्य आसनों तथा स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के अंतर्गत प्रत्येक यह भी कार्य किया जाता था। उसके बाद हमारी दिनचर्या विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताओं एवं क्रियाकलापों द्वारा इतने रोचक ढंग से की जाती थी कि इन 5 दिनों का हमें पता ही नहीं लगा। अंत में शिविर के सभी आयोजकों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एवं सभी प्रतिभागियों को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ। जय हिंद, जय हिमाचल, जय भारत। By our guide from KVS State, Pooja.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today, we the guides of KVS are here to give a short review of the National Integration Camp for the following 4 days. First of all, we felt very excited and ecstatic to attend the National Integration Camp in MIRS Kanchipuram. On our arrival here, we were served our morning breakfast with care. After having the lunch, we settled in the auditorium for the first inaugural ceremony. We were very delighted to stay amid such great personalities. We were motivated by the inspiring words of the dignitaries of Bharat Scouts and Guides. We found all the staff and officials to be very energetic and enthusiastic. We learned that the main motto of the camp is to adjust and mingle with people all over our motherland. Next, as you remember, we made our way to the most interesting program, the Camp Tour. We went to visit the MIRS campus, which occupied an area of 100 acres. There, we get to know about the infrastructure of the school campus and hostel. Can you guess something special in this? To add on to this, we were attracted by the biogas plant over there. Then, as we know, we entered into the world of different heritage and culture. We felt it was a miniature of India in terms of culture, food, costumes, etc. It was continued by the first competition, folk song. We dated back to the history and not dressed but disguised ourselves as men and women of a particular state. The program came to a closure by having a 1-minute silent prayer.
On the second day of the camp, we began our day with the BP6 exercise followed by Swachhata campaign, where both the scouts and guides actively participated. Later, we all assembled for the flag break. After this, all of us were sent to the main auditorium for the state festival competition. Here, we found many participants from various states with different costumes. Every participant gave out their best in their performances and audience do enjoy it. At that moment, we felt that it was like a mini India, combining the festivals of all states together at one place. A few hours later, we all assembled at the auditorium for the main inaugural function where eminent personalities of various departments were welcomed as chief guests of the day. They were honored with scarf by some of our officials. They were also welcomed by some of the scouts and guides with dance performances. With this, the program came to an end. At 4:30 p.m., all were instructed to assemble at the auditorium for the state marriage competition. We don't know whether everyone in this nation would get the chance to see all the marriage practices practiced in our country, but we the young scouts and guides got an opportunity to view this great ceremony. Later, the day 2 of the camp was ended with 1 minute silent prayer. तीसरे दिन की शुरुआत जोश और उत्साह भरी एरोबिक्स के द्वारा शुरू की गई थी, जो कि महाराष्ट्र स्टेट के एस्कॉट मैम ने आरंभ किया। बाद में झंडारोहण के बाद एमओपी कार्यक्रम शुरू हुआ।
उसके बाद सबके द्वारा इंतजार किए गए फूड प्लाजा भोजन प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन किया गया था। प्रत्येक स्काउट एवं गाइड अपने क्षेत्र के खाद्य पदार्थ को बहुत धूमधाम से प्रस्तुत किए थे। हर एक क्षेत्र का खाद्य पदार्थ अपने ओर से विशेष था
और सभी स्काउट्स एवं गाइड्स ने विभिन्न कार्यक्रम में भाग लिए, जैसे मैसेंजर्स ऑफ पीस, फ्री बीइंग मी, सर्फ मार्ट आदि। इसके साथ ही सभी प्रतियोगी अपने राज्य के प्रसिद्ध लोक नृत्य के साथ उपस्थित हुए और अपने लोक नृत्य को कई तरह से प्रस्तुत किए और यह तीसरा दिन की अंतिम कार्यक्रम थी। आज सुबह इस दिन की शुरुआत योगा के साथ की गई थी। बाद में विभिन्न राज्य के प्रतियोगी अपने राज्य के बारे में स्टेट एक्सपोजिशन की प्रतियोगिता में प्रस्तुत किए। इससे सभी ने अलग अलग देश के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त की।
इस प्रकार इस कैंप से हम बहुत सीखे हैं, ज्ञान प्राप्त किए हैं। इस कैंप में से जो अनुभव प्राप्त हुआ है वो सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। हमें समय का महत्व, कैसे दूसरों को हाथ देने, उनकी परेशानियों के समय में आदि बातों पर प्रकाश डाली है। आत्मनिर्भर और आत्मविश्वास का भी महत्व हमने जाने हैं। यहाँ की साफ सफाई की व्यवस्था भी ठीक था। अतः एक ऐसा कैंप है जिसका वर्णन 2 कागज से नहीं हो सकता है। इन चारों दिनों में हम 400 चीजें सीखे होंगे। सभी स्टाफ और ऑफिशियल्स को धन्यवाद देते हुए हम अपनी वाणी को विराम देते हैं। धन्यवाद एवं शुभ दिन।
Let's go.
Madam Vice President, for Scouts and Guides, as well the State Training Commissioner for Scouts and Guides of Arunachal Pradesh, our State President, former Director of School Education, former Director of School Education and the State Chief Commissioner, Tamil Nadu State, as well the National Advisor for Growth for Scouts and Guides, Madam Kumit Mehra, the Assistant Director, the Southern Region, and the Program in charge of the National Integration Camp at Maharishi International Residential School, Deputy National Commissioner for Scouts, as well the State Commissioner Scouts, Dr. Haris L. Mehta, Veteran Principal, and the Chief Administrator of Maharishi International Residential School, Sri Namachivaya, various office bearers of Scouts and Guides on the stage of the state, Scouts and Guides in charge from different states, and my dear participants of the National Integration Camp. I am extremely happy and privileged to come to this program and felicitate you all on the valediction. I had the privilege of joining you on the occasion of the inaugural session of this camp. I was witness to the cultural program. As we were witnessing, it was on marriages being practiced across the state. There was a participation from the cadets with all amount of joy and happiness. Likewise, I was told that you had the opportunity of presenting your culture through dance and several other activities. The very purpose of organizing this National Integration Camp at a place like Tamil Nadu is trying to serve twin objectives. First and foremost, India itself is a melting pot of cultures. We celebrate our diversities. We are known for expressing our love and affection towards others as much we share our affection towards all our countrymen. As I could see you all, the youngest citizens of this great country, the future belongs to you. The much fought independence and subsequent events helping us to grow from a developing country into a $5 trillion economy of the future. We expect development at all levels. The socio-economic development is core of everything. And if we want to march towards socio-economic development, it is essential that we focus on our fundamentals. Our fundamentals lie, as I was telling you in the beginning, in celebrating the differences. We experience the differences in the name of culture, in the name of language, in the name of food habits, in the name of any other custom that you try to be, we have it. Just because we have all these differences, we never missed an opportunity towards marching development. You name any 21st century skills or developmental areas, we have many things to our credits. Whether it was our recent foray into space, or in nuclear areas or nuclear science related areas, or doing advancements in medicine or health related issues. In all these areas, given an opportunity, we proved our mettle that who we are. As long as we remain within our state, we proudly recall and associate our contribution from a particular state. And it is always our proud legacy to represent a great country like an India. At this National Integration Camp, I am very much sure should have given you the required platform to express all your innate skills, the skills which could be appreciated by all the people. Whether it was you presenting a camp report like this, or you are presenting your cultural program of the state you belong to, still we are in a position to appreciate. Language is not that one just restricted to a national boundary or a border. Music is also having an universal appeal. And in a way, your scout masters, your teachers, and your parents help you to develop all these skills. And in a way, Forest Scouts and Guides, as a national organization, given the responsibility of saving the future for our country, is trying to organize a program of this nature across the country, and one such is the National Integration Camp. And I should thank the national movement for giving this responsibility of organizing this event at the southernmost part of the country in a place like Sri Perumbudur. The other day, as I was telling you, how important our state is. And I should also not miss the opportunity of reminding you the contribution of veteran spiritual leaders and gurus from this place. The Sri Perumbudur is known for Sri Ramanujan, a Vaishnavite, a theologian in a way. And of course, you have the privilege of practicing yoga, and yoga is being appreciated as an international event. UNESCO accorded due recognition for it. Likewise, as we are celebrating this 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, UNESCO again recognized non-violence as an international movement. And it is this is how we be getting united or integrated. So, for all the opportunities you have in a place like this to learn from our own people, I am sure that cadets from our own state should have had the opportunity of learning many things from your side. So, it is for this reason and more, on behalf of the state unit, I appreciate the gesture of the national movement. And this is all because possibly we believe our state president and state chief commissioner, who readily acknowledge the importance of organizing a movement like this and encouraging you people, not only attending, and encouraging our own people growing in numbers. And we are known for having the highest number of enrollment in terms of Scouts and Guides at the top 3 positions at the national level. So, seeing the growth of the movement in our place, there is not very far where we want to see that this opportunity of preparing the youth through a movement like Scouts and Guides should have all the required support from all the people concerned here. So, with these words, I congratulate the program in charge for having taken all the effort of coming in advance, staying together, our assistant director from the southern region, and coordinating all the efforts of the team leaders and the participants. So, as much I congratulate all the scouts, all the guides, all the team leaders, all the parents and all the state association for showing the interest in deputing your cadets for a program of similar nature. And I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Madam Vice President, National Vice President, Board Scout and Guides, and State Training Commissioner, Guides, Arunachal Pradesh, State President and former Director of School Education, Dr. Mani, State Commissioner, Scouts, and Deputy National Commissioner, Scouts, Bharat Scout and Guides, NHQ, Dr. Harish L. Netaji. Dr. Vijayan, Treasurer, State Treasurer. Dr. Naresh, State Secretary. Assistant Director, Madam, Kumut Mehra, Southern Region, Bharat Scout and Guides. Madam, Alamelu and Headquarter Commissioner, Shanmugavelu, and Mr. Prendran. Last but not least, who is the key person for conducting this camp here. Veteran academician and also senior principal of this institution, Mr. Namachivaya, and all the participants, Scout Masters, Guide Captains and students, and State Organizing Commissioners of Tamil Nadu, Assistant Secretary, and all the office bearers of State Headquarters. It's really a pleasant occasion to stand before you on this function, the National Vice President and our President. Both our National Vice President and our State President are very dedicated and committed to improve the Scouts and Guide movements in national level as well as in state level. First of all, I want to record my thanks to our National President Anil Kumar Jain ji and Chief National Commissioner Khandelwal ji and the Director Rajkumar Kaushik ji, because of their only the camp has been allotted to here and we are conducting this camp. So I want to record my thanks to them. Here, for the past 5 days, under the leadership of Kumut Mehra ji, she has done excellent work. She has planned in a very systematic way and executed the camps in a successful way. I should congratulate her at this moment. And for the past 5 days, as our Secretary has mentioned here, celebrating the differences, that is very important. Emerging unity in diversity, that was the point raised by him. Here for the past 5 days, we have learned many things. Sharing, how to share, how to rations, how to get tolerance. Many good qualities we have learned here. This qualities not only for improving your life, we want you to become a leader. Swami Vivekananda ji said, give me 50 youths to me. I could change the entire nation. Here nearly 349 students are attending this program. So we are expecting you for a great change in the future of India. And also, I would like to thank, at this moment, I would like to thank Mr. Namachivaya sir. He has helped us a lot. Because of his help only we are conducting this camp here. He has given very good accommodation, and the hall and the food, everything he has helped us a lot. And I want to congratulate him at the present moment. And also, once again, I will congratulate Kumut Mehra ji because she has done an excellent work. I want to write to National also how she has worked. Her performance was really excellent and she has done an excellent work. And I also congratulate her. And at this moment, I want to appreciate our staff members, especially state organizing commissioners and assistant secretaries. And everyone, I want to mention all the name of the persons in our office, but due to paucity of time, just I am mentioning that And another important person is one Mr. Purnachandran. He has done an excellent work here. He is the key person behind the screen, and the Sundaramurthy and Madhubala. I could see all the persons, because for a success of your camp, number of persons behind the hard work, the commitment, sincerity of the number of persons are more. That is also important to mention the names. So only I am mentioning the names here. I would like to convey my best wishes to all of you who have participated in the program to get grand success in your future. Thank you so much.
Good evening to all. Say good evening. Respected Vice President, the Bharat Scouts and Guides India, State Training Commissioner Guides, Madam Kempi Pakam, and our beloved, eminent State Chief Commissioner, former Director of School Education, Dr. Ilangavanji, and our State Treasurer, Dr. James sir, our State Commissioner for Scouts and National Deputy Commissioner, Dr. Harish Mehta sir, the convener of this National Integration Camp, the soul behind the camp, our beloved Assistant Director Southern Region, Srimati Kumud Megra, and our State Secretary, Dr. Naresh Desai, our State Headquarters Commissioner, Mr. Shanmugal sir, our office bearers of State Headquarters, and the main soul in this camp, the philanthropist of this institution, Mr. Namaskar sir, and Mr. Purundaran sir, and state office bearers from all states, and my dear Scouts and Guides. This is very happy occasion, because this is the 4th day of your camp. Have you enjoyed? Have you enjoyed? Yes. Sorry, anybody from Bihar, please stand up. Any scout or guide from Bihar? Nobody? Turn out here. From Himachal Pradesh? Why? From Tamil Nadu? Yes. Have you learned any new words from your friends from other state Scouts and Guides? Any new words or any new things? Can you mention it? Tamil ever solunga paral. Give the hand mic. This is for only thought provoking. This is not a test. Don't be afraid. Be free. Yes?
About their food habits, what they eat, North India, and how they talk in North India. There are many languages in North India, but we know only Hindi in the North Indian language.
Can you know, did you know any other state Scout Guides and names? Can you make any friendship with others? Will you mention some of the names of other states Guides and Captains? சும்மா சொல்லுங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் யார் வெரிஃபை பண்ண போறாங்க? ரைட், ப்ளீஸ் சிட் டவுன். எஸ் எஸ். பின்னால கொடுங்க. யூ மைக் டு ரைட்.
Gaurav from Uttarakhand.
Huh?
Gaurav from Uttarakhand.
Very well. Very big. Give the big. Please. And then, yes, anybody else?
I made 2 friends in Telangana, Srivatsa and Lakshman, Scouts.
Oh, very nice. Give the clap.
And I worked there and I learned there 3 words.
Yes. Yes.
Snake is called Pamu, dog is called Kukka, and cat is called Pilli.
Oh, do the clap. Yes, very nice. Thank you. So you learn from others. This is the main aim of this national integration camp. Should know each and everybody. They are all brothers and sisters. That is why this camp was organized for that. Since this is the 150th anniversary of Mahatma Ji, the 5 things that we should learn from Mahatma Ji impact our society is that number 1 is truth, Vaimai, right way of living, that is simple life, non-violence, that is ahimsa, that is the main weapon of our nation, respect for elders and freedom. These 5 things are inculcated to our present generation in the form of Count Law. Trustworthy, loyal, courageous, courteous, friend to all brothers and sisters, and protecting public property. We should follow it. As Gandhiji said, morality is the basis of things. And truth is substance of all morality. We also teach scout with morality. We say India is the land of unity in diversity. I also like to quote here that you must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. Instead of waiting for others to get changed, it is the duty of every individual citizen of this nation. Stop blaming for don't and try to join all our hands for national harmony. I have read one message today, a nice message written on a balloon which was flying up in the sky. The words are like this: it is not what outside, but what is inside that takes you to the top. So be good, be genuine, be courteous, we will succeed in our life. At this juncture, I congratulate all the office bearers who made this National International Camp as a successful one. Particularly, I congratulate the convener of this National International Camp, Madam Srimati Kumud Nagaraj. Please give your clap. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய மலை வணக்கம். Good evening and Happy New Year to each one of you. How are you, children? Are you enjoying your camp? Good. And respected Dr. P. Mani, State President, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tamil Nadu State, former Director of School Education, Dr. R. Ilangoven, State Chief Commissioner, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tamil Nadu, and former Director of School Education, National Advisor for Growth, Bharat Scouts and Guides. Dr. Haris L. Mehta, State Commissioner Scouts and Deputy National Commissioner Bharat Scouts and Guides, Deputy National Commissioner Scouts Bharat Scouts and Guides, Dr. P. N. Naresh, State Secretary and Additional Member TRP, Dr. N. Vijayan, State Treasurer Bharat Scouts and Guides, Tamil Nadu. Dignitaries of the dais, distinguished guests, other respected dignitaries, leader of the camp, Srimati Kumud Mehra, Assistant Director, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Southern Region, learned staff members, contingent leaders, scouters, guiders, and my beloved scouts, guides, rovers, rangers, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me congratulate Mr. Ilan Goben and his esteemed team for graciously hosting National Integration Camp to commemorate 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Indeed, I am delighted to be here at Thunguvar Chatram. It is a great pleasure and honor to be here with you all today in Tamil Nadu. Many famous personalities belong to this state, like Nobel laureate Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, Venki Ramachandran, or Venki Ramakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, great teacher and second President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, 11th President of India, also known as Missile Man, and many others. I am truly thankful to Mr. Ilan Goben and his esteemed team for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this wonderful occasion. And I am also thankful to each one of you for your warm and cordial welcome. And at the same time, it also gives us immense pride and pleasure for being a part of this great organization, which is the largest uniform educational youth movement in the country, as well as around the world. As per my knowledge, Bharat Scouts and Guides Tamil Nadu is doing wonderful in scouting and guiding. Undoubtedly, which proves you that your state is among the leading nation builder in this country. You are doing a fantastic job. Congratulations and keep it up. And I am sure all the participants have enjoyed 5 days stay at Maharishi International Residential School. As we know, scouting started in United Kingdom in 1907 and it started in India after 2 years, that is in 1909. And guiding started in United Kingdom in 1910. It started in India just after 1 year, that is in 1911. Ever since, our country is playing a significant role in Asia Pacific region. Today, our organization continues to play a formidable role in grooming young members for leadership roles by imparting knowledge and skills of scouting and guiding required for teamwork and peaceful coexistence. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is a voluntary, non-political, educational movement for young people, open to all, without distinction of origin, gender, race or creed, in accordance with the purpose, principles and methods conceived by the founder Lord Baden-Powell in 1907 at Brownsea Island in United Kingdom. The purpose of the movement is to contribute to the development of young people in achieving their full physical, intellectual, social, emotional and spiritual potentials as individuals, as responsible citizens, as members of local, national and international communities. It is a progressive self-education through promise and law under the guidance of adult leadership. So, I consider adult leaders are the backbone of this movement. Guiding has become my passion over the years. It is an inspiration for me personally and to the entire congregation, I believe. My journey with the Bharat Scouts and Guides started about 23 years back as adult leader. Ever since, I have always been determined to contribute the holistic development of younger generations in order to evolve them into responsible and better citizens of tomorrow. I am confident that with this approach, we are shaping our young members into responsible and better citizens of tomorrow. Scouting and Guiding is unquestionably an integral part of education, contributing a significant role to the total development of young boys and girls with the highest ideal of discipline, character building, punctuality, patriotism, and sense of service to the community. Education is not confined to classroom teaching. The co-curricular activities are also very essential for growth and development of body and mind of young boys and girls. No classroom lectures can achieve what one learns from practical experience. In Scouting and Guiding, children are taught to be prepared to render their service to the needy people in right time without expecting anything in return, and to face danger in order to achieve mission and vision laid down by Vajam and Vex, as well as the Bharat Scouts and Guides. So our Scouts and Guides are trained for every walk of life. Scouting and Guiding is nothing but the way to give right directions to the younger generation. I believe every girl has right to grow up free from violence and fear of violence. But today, millions of girls are unsafe at their homes, at schools, and even on public transport. Scouting and Guiding teaches us how to protect and take care of ourselves. Therefore, I wish more and more teachers and the students should come forward and join Scouting and Guiding for betterment of ourselves, for betterment of our society, our nation, and the whole world. India is one of the religiously and ethnically most diverse countries in the world. Therefore, to bring common identity in the country and to bind the nation together, in every year, Bharat Scouts and Guides is conducting national integration camp in different parts of the country to exchange ideas and culture of other states in order to integrate the nation and to enhance love and peace among the people all across India. The main objective of National Integration Camp is to bind the nation together. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh makes this country India. Likewise, Scouting and Guiding in India is the testimony of unity in diversity in this nation. Through Scouting and Guiding, we are binding the nation together. Right from the beginning, many great leaders have been patronizing the movement, like Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, and many others. Our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, said that, I quote, I pray Almighty that every home of my country should have children trained like Scouts and Guides, unquote. And great Irish writer and philosopher George Bernard Shaw has remarked about the Scout movement that, I quote, the greatest contribution to the education in the 20th century is made not by an educationist, but a soldier who founded the Scout movement, unquote. And our founder, Lord Baden-Powell, laid the greatest emphasis on peace.
President of this organization, respected Chief Commissioner, Honorable Vice President, National Headquarters, President of this movement, State Secretary, Assistant Secretary, my good friend, Sri Namashivaya, Purendran, Mud Meraji, all state officials, scouts and guides. I think all of you who have come from different parts of the country, from the northern states, eastern states, western states, all should have enjoyed your stay here in Tamil Nadu as a part of the National Integration Camp. I think this type of participation by scouts and guides to various states as a part of integration will develop the culture of you scouts and guides. And I also thank our Namasivaya, who has done a great job in having this National Integration Camp hosted in this campus. And I thank all the officials and all the organizers and all the staff of this Maharishi School who has given their time in making success of this camp. The hero of this camp must be our Purna Chandran, without whom this camp would not become successful. I wish all the scouts and guides who have come from different states to go home happily and enjoy yourself. Wish you all the best. Happy New Year. Thank you.
வணக்கம் சொல்லுங்க எல்லாரும் வணக்கம் எல்லா எம்பில இருந்து வந்திருக்கவங்க சொல்லுங்க வணக்கம் the children who have come from MP say vanakkam vanakkam yeah I'm very happy that our school was given the opportunity to host this camp. There are many camps conducted in our campus. All the camps are very successful. I bless all the children and my pranams to all the dignitaries on the stage. Thank you very much.
Dignitaries on and off the dais, scouts and guides, it is a pleasant privilege for me to be with you today evening. Really, dear scouts and guides, this 5 days camp will provide you has provided you an excellent platform to perform. Really, you might have enjoyed. Have a nice time. Thanks for this opportunity. Have a nice.
Yeah.